Hey everybody, welcome to an all new video with Matt. Today I'm going to show you how to make these front porch decorative 4th of July fireworks out of 4x4 lumber. But first, you're going to need a few things. Alright guys, to get started on this project, you're going to need a tape measure, speed square, pen or pencil. You need a miter or circle saw. You'll need a palm sander, some 4x4 lumber, thick rope. You'll need a drill bit for the size of your rope, hot glue gun, red, white, and blue paint, paintbrush, and scissors. And the cut sheet is simple. On your 4x4 lumber, you'll need one at 19 inches, one at 16 inches, and one at 12 inches. Alright guys, so once you've got all three of your pieces cut out, then you might need to go over the ends right here with some 80 and 120 sandpaper, guys. Just go ahead and get those nice and smooth, and then you want to go ahead and paint your pieces. Now I'm going to go with the tall one. I'm going to paint probably red, maybe do the tall one blue maybe, and this one, but we'll see as I go. But I'm definitely going to do this top one red, since red pops out just a little more. So yeah, let's go ahead and get all of our ends nice and smoothed out, and then we'll go ahead and get our stuff painted and let it dry. Alright guys, so now all of our pieces have dried. So what we want to do now is find the centers on the top of our pieces. That will be 1 3/4 inches this way, an 1 3/4 inches that way, and you'll make your center crosshairs mark. Then what we need to do is find a drill bit that's equivalent to the size of the rope that you're going to be using. If it's that big around, you're going to need a drill bit about that big around. If it's that big around, you got, you know what to do out there. You need to find the right size drill bit for the size of the rope that you're using for the wick, right? So go ahead, get your centers marked, and get your drill bit. Go ahead and drill your holes. Then we'll be ready to put our fuses in. Alright guys, so what I mean by that basically is you need to take the size of the rope that you're going to be using for your wick, right? And you need to kind of match up a drill bit to the size of that, guys. So like in my case, I'm going to use this 1/2 inch spade bit right there. They're roughly around the same size right there, guys. So we only want to drill maybe about the full length of the spade, or I would say 1 inch deep into your board. Don't want to go too deep because then the rope will get too flimsy to want to just sit up on its own, right? So we'll go ahead and drill that about 1/2 inch deep, and then we'll need to cut our little rope pieces, and you just want to kind of hold it up just like that right there and kind of pinch it and just kind of act like that would be where it would be coming out of the top, right? And so you want to give it about another finger or two and then cut it there, right? And then you'll take the ends right here and just kind of fray them out, unravel that, get all that all frayed out and stuff, and that's going to give it that cool little wick end look right there, guys. So go ahead and get your hole drilled, and then we're going to hot glue our rope right into our pieces. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just going to go ahead and put some hot glue in there real quick, just like that. But I want to be quick though, so it doesn't dry up. But then you'll take it, shove that down in there just like that, let that sit for about 1 or 2 seconds, and then go ahead and fill in up to the top. Make sure you roll that around so you can get some on the other side right here. Alright guys, then we'll let that cool down and scrape off the excess. Alright guys, there you have it. There is our larger version of the fireworks. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful week ahead. Peace.